Hello everyone, very good evening. Welcome to the session. So today we are going to learn similar triangles, Abhyasa Deepika questions, which are essay questions, okay? So very few questions were given in Abhyasa Deepika related to similar triangles. We are going to learn all of them today. Okay, so before I start the session, I just want you all to like the session and share this with all your friends as well. So the very first question is here. You might be wondering it is second, but it is actually first question. The first question which you can see is actually from constructions. Okay, so I'm going to make separate video on each chapter, what you need to learn from each chapter. Okay, so their constructions, it's a scoring topic. I will teach you separately. So as of now, I'm taking all the other questions not related to constructions. So first question, in triangle PQR, if XY is parallel to PQ, and so px upon xr is given as 5 by 3. Okay, so you have a triangle. Everyone please concentrate. I hope you're all ready with your pen and book. So this is the triangle PQXYR. In this triangle PQR, this xy is parallel to PQ. Okay, and is given px by xr, ratio is given as 5 by 3. We know that when in a triangle one side is parallel, okay, if you are drawing a line parallel to one side, using BPT, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Okay, what are the other two sides? PR and QR are the other two sides. XY is parallel to PQ. The other two sides of the triangle are PR and QR. Now these two sides are divided with by this line XY in the ratio, same ratio, okay, in the same ratio. So PX by XR will be equal to QY by YR. So PX by XR is equal to QY by YR using BPT. Okay, so Px by Xr is 5 by 3 given to you in the question. Now what is Qy by Yr? See here. QR is given as 7.2. Okay, but QR I can write as Qy plus Yr is 7.2. So if I take Qy as X, if I take this as X, this will be how much then? Yr will be 7.2 minus X. Yr or Ry is same. That is what you have to find. So this is 7.2 minus X. Okay, so let us substitute. So Qy is X and Yr is 7.2 minus X. Now please cross multiply. So you have 5 into 7.2 minus X is equals to 3X. Okay, so 5 into 7.2 minus X is how much? 5 2s are 10. Okay, point. You'll have 1 here. 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36. So 36.0, or simply you can write 36 minus 5x is equals to 3x. So 3x 36 is equal to 3x plus 5x, or 36 is equals to 8x, or x will be equal to 36 divided by 8. So how much am I getting here? 8 4s are 0.40, so 4.5 I'm getting. Okay, so how can you check the solution? See here, I got x as 4.5. Okay, so let us check. X is 4.5. So the other 7.2 minus x will be 7.2 minus 4.5. So it will be 2.7. Okay, so which means this is 4.5 and this is 2.7. So they are asking Ry. Ry is 7.2 minus x, that is 2.7. Now if you take the ratio, let us see if the ratio is same or not. Okay, what is the ratio I need to find here? I need to find Qy by Yr ratio. Let us see. This is 4.5 by 2.7, or I can simply write it as 45 by 27. In 5 table, 5 9s are 45. No, sorry. In 5 table, we cannot cancel it out. So you can actually take 9 table. 9 3s are 27, 9 5s are 45. So how much is the ratio I got? 5 by 3. And here px by xr is also 5 by 3. Okay, so therefore you got qy by yr equal to px by xr. Okay, both the ratios are same. That is what is BPT. Okay, so you now found out the value of ry. Did you understand? Px by xr ratio is given using BPT. Px by xr equal to Qy by yr. Okay. And substituting the values, we don't know Qy value, we don't know yr value, but we know Qr value. We know what is total QR is 7.2. So if I am taking this as x, this will be 7.2 minus x. So substituting the values in BPT, you get x value by cross multiplying and solving. That x value, I just checked if the value we got is correct or not using this method. Okay. Now let's proceed to question number 3. Question number 3 is a question of your textbook itself. Just have a look. In the figure AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD. Okay, you have a line BD. Now AB, PQ and CD all are perpendicular to this line BD. And AB is X, PQ is Z and CD is Y. So you need to prove 1 by X plus 1 by Y equals to 1 by Z. So how shall we proceed for this question? If you clearly see the picture, you have some triangles, right angle triangles especially. Okay, so just see here. So if I just take this triangle, this particular triangle, first triangle, okay, this total triangle if I am taking A, B, D and I have a line here P, Q. Okay, I am breaking the triangle, I am only taking one side. So here this is X, this is Z, okay, and this is perpendicular, this is also perpendicular. If I consider this total triangle, everyone just concentrate here. So in triangle ABD and triangle QPD, okay, you can see what is angle B. Angle B equals to angle Q. Simply I am writing angle B equal to angle Q, or you can write the total angle ABD is equals to angle PQD. Why? Because both are equal to 90. And also in both the triangles, you can see angle PDQ is equals to angle ADB, which is nothing but the common angle. See, angle D is common for both. This angle is common for both the triangles. So therefore, I can say triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQD. So when the two triangles are similar to each other, what can I take? I can take the corresponding parts ratio to be equal. So small triangle PQ by big triangle AB is equals to small triangle QD side by bigger triangle side is BD. Okay, I'm only taking this side AP, AD, PD. I'm not taking the slanting line, the hypotenuse side. I'm not taking because hypotenuses are different for both the triangles, which you will see now. Only these base and altitude are same. Now see the next triangle. So in this triangle C, D, this is P, Q, and this is B. Here also this is 90 and 90. Okay, and angle B is common. So here you can see BD is common side for both of them, and you have to prove something in terms of X, Y, Z. So these sides I am taking, vertical sides and the horizontal side. Slanting line side, that hypotenuse side you don't need because there is no relation which you have to prove. Okay, and this side we are taking, the common base we are taking. Okay, common base and the vertical sides I am taking. Okay, so here in triangle, if you consider the next triangle, triangle CDB, the total big triangle, and triangle PQB, okay, the smaller one. So in these two triangles also you can clearly see angle Q equal to angle D, which is 90 perpendicular, and angle PBQ is equals to angle CBD, which is nothing but the common angle again. So when two angles are equal, I can simply say triangle CDB is similar to triangle PQB, and when the two triangles are similar, now I can write the smaller side PQ by the base BQ equals to CD by BD. Okay, now I can simply add both of them. Okay, I can simply add both the equations because see here what you have is 1 by x plus 1 by y. So you need to add here. This indicates that we need to add. Okay, so when I am adding, see when I add, I will take care that my BD and here BD both will lie on the same side. Okay, so for that what I'll do is I'll write one more step. So PQ by BQ equal to CD by BD. I can simply write as CD by BD equal to PQ by BQ. What did I do? Instead of writing like this, I just wrote like this. Clear? So now adding this, let this be equation 2, let this be equation 1. So adding equation 1 and 2. What will I get? See, PQ by AB. Wait, here also it is second term only. Here also it is second term only. Isn't it? BD is in the second term only. So let's take it as the first one. Okay. It is in the second term only. No? Here also it is in the second term. Here also in the second term only. So I'm just taking PQ by AB plus. Here in the LHS you have PQ by BQ is equals to QD by BD plus CD by BD. Now as you can see, PQ is common from these two. So if I take PQ common, I have 1 by AB. AB is nothing but X plus 1 by BQ. BQ value do we have? BQ value we don't have. Let us write it as BQ equals to. Here BD is common. So you will have QD plus CD. QD, what is QD here? QD value we don't have plus CD value is Y. So here somewhere, shall we eliminate this BQ, QD values? Once you see here everyone, just see here what I have to prove tells me that, see here. In what I have to prove, I have only 1 by X plus 1 by Y equals to 1 by Z. X means this side, Z means this side, Y means this side. So the horizontal side should be eliminated actually, isn't it? So to eliminate the horizontal side, what I want to do is, so I have written PQ by AB plus PQ by BQ. So instead of writing this in this way, let me just exchange this. And before that, let me check if I have written everything correctly or not. So let me just check. So PQ by AB is equals to QD by BD. Yes, it is correct. And PQ by CD. Here it is PQ by CD. What did I write? BQ I wrote here. 1 second, people. Just see here. It will be PQ by CD is equals to QD. QD by BD. I wrote a mistake here. I'm so sorry. And I have taken the triangle similar only. I have done a mistake here. Just please excuse me for this. Let me explain you once again. See here. So, yes. PQ by this QD, okay, will be equal to BQ by BD. Okay, so let me write the same thing here. So PQ by QD will be equal to BQ. Will be equal to BQ by BD. Okay, now let us add. So PQ by AB plus PQ by CD is equals to QD by BD plus BQ by BD. Okay, so here PQ is common. Let us take it common. So 1 by AB is X plus 1 by CD is Y is equals to, this is nothing but QD plus BQ. These are like fractions, so denominator will be same. So PQ is nothing but Z, isn't it? So let me write that also. PQ means Z into 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to QD plus BQ is nothing but total BD by BD. So BD cancel. So you have 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to, sending Z to the other side becomes 1 by Z. Clear, people? So what did I do? I have taken first this side triangle. So this side triangle, I have two triangles, the smaller one, the total bigger one. Then similarly, this side triangle, I have taken the smaller one and the total bigger one. They are similar to each other. So when they are similar to each other, The vertical side of the small triangle, the vertical side of the big triangle equal to horizontal side of the small triangle, total horizontal side of the big triangle. Similarly, this side also smaller vertical side by this vertical side equal to this base of the small triangle divided by the total base of the big triangle. Then you need to add both the equations. Okay. So I have written the corresponding sides wrongly. That's why we did not get it. But then now it is correct. Okay. So next question. In the figure, angle M, see, angle M and angle N are 46 and 46. So here you can see these two angles are equal. So when the angles are equal, when these two angles are equal, these are actually like corresponding angles. When two lines are given, when LM and PN are two lines and you have a line like this, so these two angles become corresponding angles. One is interior angle, one is exterior angle, and both are equal. So when corresponding angles are equal, I can conclude that these two lines are parallel. So LM and PN are parallel. So what can you write? You can write LM is parallel to PN using corresponding angles concept. When they are parallel, then these two angles are also equal. And this is anyway, angle K is a common angle for both the triangles. So let me show you here. So in triangle, the bigger triangle LMK and the smaller triangle PNK. In these two triangles, already angle M equal to angle N given to you in the question. So when two angles are equal, I can simply write angle MLK is equals to angle NPK. Both are also equal because LN becomes parallel to PN. And also angle PKN equals to angle LKM. Why? Because this is common angle. Angle K is common. Okay, so LKM is equal to angle PKN. So they are common angles. Okay, clear? So therefore triangle LMK is similar to triangle PNK. So when the triangles are similar to each other, what can I say? Corresponding parts are equal. So here just have a look now. What did they tell you? You have to write x in terms of AB. Now x, I think this is x, Pn is x. So where A, B, C are lengths of LM. So A is the length of LM. Okay, LM total length is A. Then MN length is B and NK length is C. So when the triangles are equal, what can I write? Sorry, when the triangles are similar, what can I write? I can simply write the smaller triangle PN by LM equals to, in the small triangle, NK by total big triangle is MK. Okay. So PN is nothing but X divided by LM. Where is LM is A is equals to NK is C by MK is B plus C. So X I can write as AC by B plus C. Okay, here X they did not mention it is PN, but it should be PN only. Okay. So look at the next question now. So here in the next question it is given DE is parallel to BC. So these two are parallel lines. DE is parallel to BC. BC is 8 centimeter. AB, total AB is 6 centimeter. DA is 1.5 centimeter. So you need to find DE. So see, when these two are parallel lines, okay, so let me write in triangle ABC and triangle if I take ADE, if I take these two triangles, so when these two lines are parallel, so corresponding angles are equal. So I can write angle CBA is equals to angle EDA, corresponding angles. And also angle A is common for both the triangles. See, so angle BAC is equals to angle DAC. They are common angles. Okay, so when they are common angles, now therefore I can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. So when the two triangles are similar to each other, I can take the ratio of corresponding sides. See, every question which we are doing right now is the similar model. So how will you take the corresponding sides? AD upon this side AD, small triangle AD, and big triangle side is AB. So this should be equal to small triangle side is DE and big triangle side is BC. Okay, I'm not taking AE and AC because lengths are not given to us. We need to find this DE value. So DE by what is BC? 8 is equals to AD is 1.5 by AB is 6. So DE value will be 1.5 by 6 into 8. So 2 4 times, 2 3 times, 3 1 time. So 1.5 1 time, 1.5 2 times, 2 1 time, 2 2 is. So DE is simple 2. Got the point, people? Okay. So 2 you can write centimeters here. Units are centimeters because everything is given in centimeters. Okay, so these are the questions given in Abhyasa Deepika of essay questions. These are all essay questions only. So in the next class, I will tell you trigonometry part B questions. So part B questions, what I am planning is, I will give you all the part B questions in separate videos chapter wise. And finally, we'll have one final mock test for part B. And you can practice all the questions from Math Facilitator website. Link is given in the description also. Not only this, I am going to give you chapter wise important questions. I am going to tell what to learn from each chapter. Okay, so that you can stay organized and learn, full in very short period of time. Okay, so do subscribe to the channel, share it with all your friends also. Okay, let everyone know about the channel. Please share it, like the video, and also comment and let me know what else requirement do you have. Okay, so I'll see you all in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.